Today I'm going to prepare one easy green Thai curry. First, let's check out the ingredients. For the ingredients I have taken carrots, bell pepper, mushroom and salt to taste. I have taken green chilies, coriander leaves, basil leaves, pepper powder, jeera powder, garlic, ginger and a small piece of lemon. I'll squeeze it and add in. Apart from this, I have also taken a cup of coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. First, I am going to blend these ingredients in a blender. Now it's thin, fine paste. Next, I am going to dilute all vegetables in coconut oil. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt. I am going to add Thai paste. Next, I am going to add coconut milk. I am going to close this and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, nice aroma is coming. Now I am going to garnish this with basil leaves. I am going to serve this with white rice.